Let's make a salad that's not only delicious, but using ingredients that are known to fight disease and cancer. Starting out with purple cabbage, it contains sulforaphane and anthocyanins. Research has found that these two compounds are great for fighting cancer. I diced the kale tiny because that's how I prefer it in my salad. And kale is great for protecting against heart disease, and it's also high in fiber and has a wide range of nutrients. Red onion to add delicious flavor and crunch, and also bursting with antioxidants. It contains over 15 types of flavonoids. That's powerful. Carrots are a great source of beta-carotene, vitamin K, potassium, and bursting with antioxidants as well. We've all heard that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and there is some truth to this, so add that apple, and I like to dice mine in little tiny pieces. Adding the cucumber, I love cucumber, that crunch and that extra hydration, great for the salad. And they are also high in nutrients like vitamin K, magnesium, potassium. I am also using walnuts, which I absolutely love the flavor, the crunch, healthy saturated fat, great source of protein, and high in ALA, alpha-linoleic acid, which is anti-aging. I'm all about that. Adding a little radish to make sure that we have covered the rainbow. Did you know that radishes are high in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin C? And they also can help prevent inflammation. And my favorite, olive oil and balsamic vinegar, because I know that it is high in polyphenols and antioxidants. If you're interested in ordering Palmetto Olive Oil, I will put a link in the description below. You can use my discount code if this is your first time ordering for 15% off your entire order. Now it's time to dig in and enjoy.